neither do data scientists. I think we're getting off track, which is a classic data science move. So this is still on brand. We all want to find love. We really do. We want to, and yet things like this exist out there. So today, I'm going to cover Baba Brinkman's data science music video. This is a hip-hop rap battle between a statistician and a data scientist. I'm going to be strong. I'm going to be strong for Mother. You guys be strong for me by tapping that like button down below. And if you want to see more reaction videos where I put myself through torturous situations, not that I've heard the song yet, but I've heard the first 12 seconds, and hopefully you guys can stay until the end, because I certainly hope I can. A little context. The reason why I'm doing this is because Ken G sent this to his private Discord as a pièce de résistance of his YouTube rabbit hole that he went down one day. And yeah, this is something I wanted to share with you because I haven't seen this video yet, so I wanted to unpack it with all of you so that I don't have to suffer alone. Here we go.
Data science, statistician. Data science, statisticians. Yeah, data science, statisticians. Academic, classical statisticians, sit down and listen. You're about to witness the power of algorithms. Linear regression is sucking us into a recession. Interpretability's dead. The gold standard is now prediction.
Okay. There's some charts in the background. It has, it seems like log loss on the right side, and it looks like there is a neural network on the left side. Hip-hop wise, this gets a 4 out of 10. Data science wise, this gets a 5 out of 10. At least it makes sense so far.
Please, you think cause a method is new, it isn't bad. Everything about your big data movement is a fad. All you have is a glittering enigma, wrapped in a complex riddle. Nothing but a black box with lots of little knobs to twiddle.
I mean, he didn't make any concrete claims about data science. He could have owned them with hard statistical facts, but instead all he said was like data science is a fad, which I guess is driving at the heart of data science insecurity. So in that sense, good job, Baba Brinkman. Can I call you Baba? Is that okay?
A black box that delivers accurate answers on any question you can ask it. From genetics to cancer, over a transparent box we understand that's interpretable with tractable math. Yeah, too bad it doesn't work so good though.
Is the statistician trying to say that statistics... Hold on. Okay, so the data scientist is like the machine learning engineer, essentially. And the statistician is the person who, like, thinks statistics is a little more transparent, even though they're not on the same playing field.
Algorithms are just another kind of statistical inference. That's fine. You're advocating scientific ignorance. You're like the Wizard of Oz in a balloon floating over the earth. Come back. I can't. I don't know how it works.
That's good. That's really good, actually. I'm gonna subscribe. Baba. Oh, I'm already subscribed. I just subscribed directly prior to this video.
Works. Data goes in, predictions emerge. Talk to Mark Zuckerberg if you really question its worth. Forget it. Stay bottled up in the college and data model. I'll solve problems, drive an audience, data model.
I like that. Dating models. Models, yeah. I made that joke before. I don't think Zuckerberg knows how these models work. Oh, that's the point, is that he doesn't know how it works and he's rich. Okay, I got you now. That's pretty good.
Data science, we predict the outcome. And if you see it's working, there's no need to question how come. Statisticians, we want it precise. How is it science if you can't explain your model designs?
The explainability here is that for most advanced machine learning methods, that the coefficients of a regression or a classification are not interpretable based on the features that are selected. And that is fair to say, but it's not like we don't understand how it works. It's just that we don't understand. It's not understanding the math behind how it works is not the same as not understanding which features make a model arrive at the final prediction. So that's the most important part, if you get anything out of this video, is that if you understand machine learning, then you do know how the math works. You just at the end of the day, for more complex algorithms, don't know what features are directly impacting the final decision.
Data science, we don't want it basic, life is complicated. The original black box is nature. Statisticians reveal how nature functions. All I need is a model with articulated assumptions. Is that too much to ask from a data analyst? Show your work, that's basic practice, but they can't handle it. Move fast, break things, it just isn't right. Not at the expense of parsimony and scientific insight.
It's like, I wish the statistician had more of a stake, because it seems like the statistician is just breaking down what the data scientist does, and then the data scientist is like, yeah, here is also what I do. So I feel like this is from the double perspective of a data scientist, whereas we could be talking about the statistician as well. Maybe the second half of the song. Maybe I'm jumping the ship. We've only 2 minutes in. It feels like it's been a lifetime, but it really has only been 2 minutes.
Get it backwards, pop. Scientific progress is a step-by-step process from simple to complex. Quantum physics comes after Newtonian mechanics, and classic statisticians never discovered exoplanets.
Neither did data scientists. I think we're getting off track, which is a classic data science move. So this is still on brand.
You're the one with the model backwards, son. You got distracted. We get results. Yeah, with no thought for the causal factors. Tech investors keep earning, algorithms keep churning, but it's a shallow journey if only the machine's learning.
The lyricism is actually pretty impressive, and the way the data scientist is so obscene with his pink hair. I dig the aesthetic now. I cringed into a black hole, and now I've emerged on the other side, and now I like it in a satirical way, which I'm imagining is also the way that he wants us to like it as well.
They never doubt that data science is about facts, and if it catches mice, that makes it a better mousetrap. Statistics is either gonna get with artificial intelligence or it's gonna lose in the data battle for relevance. Well, if that's your position, then I'm a converted mathematician. First, check if it works, and then unpack the algorithm with statistical methods. That's just more for us to proceed. Just don't lose sight of the random forest for the trees.
Oh, Baba Brinkman. God, that's good. I wanna write raps now. Well, you heard it here. If I start writing rap battles, it's because of Baba Brinkman.
Data science, we don't want it basic. Life is complicated. The original black box is nature. Statisticians reveal how nature functions. All I need is a model with articulated assumptions.
The data scientist is saying that the very first black box was nature. However, nature is a different type of black box because we're assuming we're talking about natural selection. And natural selection is just randomness with clear, explainability when it comes back to why does this animal look this way? Well, it either doesn't impede its progress, and two, it helps its progress. It's one or the other. For specific black boxes like a neural network, we have no idea why it ends up in a decision because we can't reverse interpret it with whatever coefficients that we see. So not the same kind of black box. I have a feeling Baba Brinkman's a data scientist because the statistician, other than having a beard, hasn't really talked about what he does on a day-to-day basis, except wear a suit, wear glasses, and is old. Wow. There was 3 people working on this. 4 people. I'm glad I got through it. I'm glad content exists out here to make it a little more presentable and reachable out there. If you want me to react to more stuff like this, then go ahead and comment down below. Make sure to like this video because otherwise I have no idea if this was a good review content at all. And I appreciate you. Have a nice day. Continue to support weird creators like this, especially like me. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Not just kidding. Peace.